Hey guys, showing you this Poetic iPhone 13 mini case. So it comes in a nice box. So let's open this and show the thing inside. So this have an option of you using it as a screen protector or without the screen protector. So let me show you. So here is the main case and here is the second part. So if you want to use it without the screen protector, you can use this insert. As you can see, it don't have any screen protector. And then if you want to use it with the screen protector, you can use this one. So this insert, the silicone back will be the same for both. So you can just choose. So I usually use it more with the screen protector. So let me just take this out. As you can see, this also have this kickstand. So quality wise, this looks fine and solid. And then I just remove all this protective covering so I can show the clarity of the screen guard. So I will just put my phone and you can see that it fits really well from all these ports and buttons, no hindrance. And then just will put it this phone case in this silicone part so that you can see like. So from the bumper it have a thick layer, so it is protective from the corners, from the back, and then also like from the sides. And then you can see like the use of the buttons and the ports here. It's all protective, dust proof. You can just take this and then use for the charging. You can also do because it's a MagSafe case, you can also use it. And then it's kickstand char, so you can just put it on a stand and this will just go inside. So overall it's a nice case and very protective and useful.